Welcome to Vancouver Dry Ice. We have a competition edition '06 M3 here that needs some dry ice blasting. It's got 50,000 kilometers on it. And the car's beautiful inside, but is dirty outside. This is the Cosmoline or rust proofing that BMW puts on this stuff here. So we'll be removing all of that. This also looks like rust proofing here. Somebody must have already been in here. And all of this. So we're gonna make this just brand new again. This car's beautiful, but underneath not so much. But we're gonna make it great. All of this will come off. All of this will be like new. These cars are super collectible. Great cars. We love them. I'm a huge fan. I had one. They're great driving cars. But they get dirty from the road. People enjoy them. Good for them. But we're gonna make it nice again. And address all these issues here. Even just stuff like that, you know, just corrosion sitting there. It'll be like new. We'll keep you posted. This is such an awesome car. You like these cars? Comment below. We got to get everybody engaged in this kind of stuff. If you've ever had one, let us know how you feel about it. We're going to make this thing awesome. Thanks, guys. Take a look at our before and afters. All right, so our M3 is done. Competition edition 06. Transformation of the year, maybe. This thing is clean. Wow, what a difference. I'm not just saying that either. It's, look at that. The plastics, they just look so rich now. Just look at this area here, just amazing. This area was completely covered in cake, road grime, all that stuff. Now it's so clean. Transmission, 6-speed, beautiful. The like just the floor itself, factory fresh. This area, then the covers. Look at that. Nothing's painted, just all clean. The factory color, see that? How it shines? Exhaust. So I wanted to show you the subframe area here on this car. No cracks. Beautiful. Nothing to worry about on this thing. Well kept. We love these Beamers. You guys got a BMW or anything like that that you need cleaned by us? Let us know. We'd be happy to help you guys. Visit our website, VancouverDryIceBlasting.com. And if you have any questions or any comments, I'll be putting this one on YouTube because it's just, I think this is the transformation of the year. So thanks for your support, guys. Get these covers back on. We'll lower the car. Wheels got blasted too. We'll give it a wash and a vacuum for the customer. He'll pick it up on a sunny day. Thanks, guys. Take care. Happy motoring.